Binary addition versus logical addition. These two additions can be performed only on binary numbers. But binary addition is different from logical addition. Four possible binary additions are as follows. Suppose A and B are the binary bits. When we perform binary addition, we get sum and carry as output. The possible inputs are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. When we add 0 with 0, in binary addition, we will get 0 as sum, carry is 0. 0 plus 1 gives sum as 1, carry as 0. Here all are plus operator. 1 plus 0, sum is 0, carry is 0. When 1 is added with 1, produces sum as 0 and carry as 1. So this is in case of binary addition. But in case of logical addition, suppose A and B are the inputs and Y is the output. Here Y is equal to A or B. That is, here OR operation takes place between the binary inputs. That is, possible inputs are 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. When 0 is odd with 0, we'll get 0, 0 or 1, 1, 1 or 0 is 1, 1 or 1 is 1. So this is a logical addition. So binary addition is equivalent to decimal addition, whereas logical addition is equivalent to OR operation. Arithmetic addition of two binary numbers is similar to decimal arithmetic. For example, if we want to add two decimal numbers, say 9 plus 7, we will get the result as 6 and carry as 1. So we can together we will call it as 16. Actually here sum is 6 and 1 is carry. Together we will call it as 16. Now let us see how to perform same numbers in binary. First convert the given decimal number into binary. The decimal binary equivalent of decimal 9 is 1001. 7 is represented as 0111. Make sure that the length of first number and length of second number should be same. Usually the first number is known as augent, second number is known as addend. Let's add these two numbers. We'll perform binary addition according to this truth table. When 1 is added with 1, we'll get 0. It produces carry. When 0 is added with 1, we'll get sum as 1 and carry as 0. When sum is added with 1, it produces 0 sum and produces carry 1. When 0 is added with 1, it produces sum as 1 and carry as 0. That 1 is again added with 1, produces 0 and carry as 1. When 1 is added with 1, it produces sum as 0 and final carry, that is nothing but this is the result of addition of two binary numbers. The decimal equivalent of 10010 is 16. Let us verify that. Let's convert this number into decimal. We know how to convert the number. We can represent the number as 100 0 0 can be represented as 0th position, first position, second position, third position, fourth position, that is 1 into 2 raised to 4. Rest all case the answer is 0. Therefore plus 0 plus 0 plus 0, which is equal to 16. So this value is equivalent to this value. This is how binary addition is performed. This is how a binary addition is performed. Let's take one more example. Let's add 15 with 8 in decimal. We will get it as 8 plus 5, 13, 23. Represent 15 in binary, that is 1111. 8 in binary as 1000. When we add 1 with 0, we'll get 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 1, 0 produces sum as 1 and carry is 1. That is nothing but 1. So this is the result of binary addition. When we convert this into decimal, we will get 23. Let's take one more example. 9 plus 2. 9 in binary can be represented as 1001, 2 as 0010. Adding these two numbers, we'll get 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 0, 1. So 1011 is equivalent to 11 in decimal. Now let us see how to perform a subtraction on binary numbers. Binary subtraction is equivalent to decimal subtraction. As follows. Suppose A is a binary number, B is a binary number. In subtraction, it produces the result as difference and carry as borrow. When we subtract 0 from 0, it produces 0 as difference and 0 as borrow. 0 minus 1 produces difference as 1 and borrow as 1. 1 minus 0, difference is 1 and borrow is 0. When both numbers are 1, 1, difference is 0 and borrow is 1. So this operation takes place in binary subtraction. Now let us take one example. 14 minus 7 in decimal, we know that the result is 7. Now let us see how to perform binary subtraction on same numbers. Convert the decimal 14 into binary. We'll get 1 1 1 0. 7 in binary as 0 1 1 1. 0 minus 1, we can refer the table. 1 is different, borrow is 1. Difference is written here, borrow is written here. 1 minus 1 produces 0. 0 minus 1 produces 1 as difference and borrow as 1. 1 minus 1 produces 0. 0 minus 1 produces difference as 1 and borrow as 1. When you subtract 1 with 1, we'll get 0. So 1 1 1 is equivalent to decimal 7. But in processors, The subtraction is carried out using 1's and 2's complement method. 1's complement method, 1's complement subtraction, and 2's complement subtraction. But in processors, the subtraction is carried out using 1's complement subtraction and 2's complement subtraction. 1's complement is the 1. 1's complement of a binary number is an inversion of individual bits. 1's complement of this number is 1's complement of this number is, we supposed to inverse or negate each bit of binary. That is, 0 is represented by 1 is represented by 0, 0 by 1, 1 by 0, and 0 by 1. So negating each bits of a binary number gives 1's complement of a number. Here 0101 is 1's complement of binary number 1010. Now let's see what is 2's complement. 2's complement of a binary number is equal to the 1's complement of a binary number plus 1. Let us take one example. Suppose the given binary number is 1001. To get 2's complement of 1001, first we need to find 1's complement of this number. 1's complement of this number gives 0110 plus add one extra bit 1 to get the 2's complement of a number. When we add 0 with 1, it produces 1 and carry a 0, 1, 1, 0. Therefore, 0111 is 2's complement of number 1001. Here 0111 is 2's complement of number 1001.